Once the lockdown is lifted, my number one priority would be the health, safety and well-being of our employees. Social distancing is something which is here to stay. We have a large part of our employees who are based in the field and they are required to visit the customers on a daily basis. We need to provide them with the tools and the knowledge to make sure that they are able to keep themselves healthy and safe.
A would mean the first step that we would need to take is allay, assuage the concerns of the entire India Glycols team. All of them would have fears, apprehensions, and that's something which we would need to attack the first and the foremost. Just to convey to them that things are steady and now is the time to get moving.
The top three things that we should be focusing on. The first, of course, is employee safety. While the lockdown has ended, the situation is far from normal. There are still threats and areas, containment zones which are there where the threat continues. So we need to be very clear that as our field forces, as our teams get back into partial working, how do we ensure that they are safe?
The first and the foremost priority is going to be about people. We plan to step up our engagement level with our employees so that their anxieties and their fears are put to rest. We have to get their morale and their confidence back up. I believe that the people engagement and their alignment is going to be fundamental to any new adjustments that we may have to make arising out of this situation.
A message to my HR professionals. We need to build deep domain experience in the area of social psychology. We need to be emotionally strong to support the business leaders go through this COVID curve. And I'm reminded of our group CEO, SNS, who always says that HR professionals need to have a very strong vertebral column to help business go through this challenge.
So we're going to create meditation zones in the office itself. And I think it's a brilliant opportunity after the lockdown because, you should have an expectation of things being different and you should show that things are different.
We would give higher importance to the safety and health of people. While we have been following those norms for a long time, in view of the present scenario, we will have to bring in a lot of differences in way we are doing things.
Looking at the priorities for the organization, we have got very clear-cut two priorities. One is health, and our self as well as employees and business associates' health. We are trying our level best to see that we are all aligned in terms of passing through this difficult time of a greater health challenge which is coming on us.